Hi guys, I will show you now how to make the ginger. This is ready-made grinded ginger if you don't have time, and also you can get the milk, okay, and either one or two sugar. If you don't, better to use actually the honey. I recommend honey instead of sugar, but I don't have it now. Just in sec, just to show you. Um, just put the sugar, okay. Actually, daily I'm doing that, and I'm enjoying it. Okay. This is for my mother. And that's it. Put the milk. Let me show it for you. So basically, I don't have a time to do shaking, so I'll do it just fast. You can shake it also after the heat, or you can put also the ginger and the sugar after the heating, but just in sake I'll do it fast. I will put this in the microwave because this I learned it's very hard to make it hot, and you need to go to the kitchen. So this is my way of making it. That's it. You should be very critical when you do it. If it's 2 minutes you can do it. If it's not, if it's in cold in the fridge, the milk, otherwise just I will just test it. If it's outside the milk, like fresh, so you just freshly opened, you just put 1 or 1.5 minutes. It depends, because if it's very hot, it will drop. So I will check now. Okay, it seems to be. Let's try it. Still need more. Oops. This is how to reduce. Right. So basically, uh, this is for lazy people like me who wants to do everything fast. Like a fast food like this, very fast. So I know people say, "Oh, it's unhealthy." Well, it's better to do it your way at home, better than going outside and do it. So this is your thing. Plus, I'm wearing this, good for radiation, for microwave, so I'm safe. Okay, let's try it now. Voila, it's hot. Can I do it one more? I put none because very hot. That's what Arabs like, which is not recommended, but well, it's good for the throat. Okay. Alright, just checking. Alright, so that's it. The cup is very hot. 2.5 minutes. Not bad. Okay. Ouch. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Very hot. Okay. So now what you need to do, shake it again. Maybe the ginger now, but mine is ready, my mother's ready. So we are all enjoying. I hope you got benefit from this video. Well, some will say, I know this one. Well, I didn't know. I discovered it myself. To get a ready-made ginger, grinded, milk, which you can store it in the fridge. You can do your own taste, low-fat milk if you want. Honey, I recommend honey. Don't use sugar. Pure honey. Then you will feel very much different. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and share my video if you like it. If you don't like it, tell somebody about it. They might like it. They might be if this video reached to me, I would definitely share it. I would definitely like and comment, because it's this is very important for me. So thank you so much for watching. Enjoy.